All right, what's going on, guys? So today we are taking a look at the Samsung standing cover with the S Pen for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So if you're like me, if you did the pre-order, you likely got this for free. So we're going to check it out, slap it on the phone, give you a feel for how it looks. And yeah, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box. So once you get everything out of the box, there will be some adhesive strips on the front part of the case that you need to remove before you install it. So after that, pretty much you can grab your phone and grab the front half and basically line it up and pop it into place. Just like that. And then we can grab the back portion and do the same thing. We'll just line it up and pop it into place just like that. So really quick, take a look at the back of the case. A decent little lip there, nothing too crazy. I would probably prefer a more aggressive lip for the camera protection there. On the side, you can see the cutout there. So you have your power button and volume rocker on the bottom, speaker, charging port, no protection for your hinge. So definitely keep that in mind if that's something that you're looking for. And then as far as the screen, a decent lip there all the way around, give you some slight protection for the front display. And then if we open it up, pretty much the same thing on the full display as well. A slight lip just to give you some decent protection. So obviously you have the kickstands here, and this portion is removable, which you can then replace with the S Pen holder if you want. So let's see if we can go ahead and do that. Should just pop out of place just like that. And then you can grab the S Pen and slide it into place just like that. So you can interchange the kickstand with the S Pen, which is definitely a nice feature. So if you want to use the S Pen, you definitely want to swap those out. The S Pen does fit in here nice and snug, so I wouldn't be too concerned about your S Pen ever falling out. And if you actually heard that, it snaps all the way into place once you push it all the way down. So let's see if we can do that again. So it locks into place. So you definitely don't have to worry about that S Pen falling out. So let's show you guys the kickstand really quick. So basically you can flip this bottom portion out like that. And that way you could stand the phone up and watch a video or a movie or something of the sort. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Decent level of protection, nothing too crazy. I don't know if I'll be leaving this on my phone or not, but just to show you guys how it works, how it looks, and if you're considering picking it up, I will put the link down in the description. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it to be helpful, consider subscribing to the channel as well as give us a thumbs up, and definitely more videos on the way.